So hello everyone, welcome to bmsmartacademy, and this is Mohibul speaking. Basically, from today I'm going to start a new journey, and in this journey I want to learn English speaking. So not only I want to learn English, but also I want to share with you my knowledge and my experience so that you can also learn English speaking. So this content will be helpful those people they are interested to learning English. I mean, those people are very beginner, so I'm just trying to help them. So this content not for intermediate and advanced level students. So if you are intermediate or advanced level students, you can skip this video. So now, first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is 𝒂𝒊𝒔. Once I was very young, that time I had two goals and two dreams. One is I wanted to complete my post graduation, I mean masters, and another goal is to be a fluent speaker. And right now I just completed my masters, I mean post graduation in sociology department, which is Bangla version. So I feel very satisfied that I completed my one goal. That's why now I'm focusing my second goal, that is to improve my English communication skill. So I also believe myself that if I try, then I can achieve this goal also. So that's why I'm making this video, and I will try to make every single day at least one video so that I can make and consistently I can hold the consistency. Okay, so I also believe that I'm recording this video through my mobile phone camera. So I know that if I record myself every day, and after recording if I watched this video again, then I can find out my mistake, then I can improve within short time. Okay, so now I want to start from with tense. So I hope that you know about tense, but I want to teach you the different angle. So I'm using here the teach you. It is actually wrong. Actually, I'm not teaching you. I'm not a English teacher, but this is my coaching center. Here I teach math. When some of my students they come to me to learn and to solve their math. Okay, but I'm also very weak in English. If I make mistake in this video or my entire journey, please forgive me, and I'm sorry for that. Okay, so now come to the board. As you can see here, I write down some question. I want to give you step by step all the question answer. Okay, so I'm just speaking English because I want to improve my English. That's why I am not using here Bangla. But if you think that if I use Bangla, it can help you, then you can make a comment. Also, you can inform me, then I will try to use Bangla. Okay, so now through this video I just want to improve my English. That's why the entire video I want to explain everything in English. If I make mistake, don't worry, I will try my level best to explain all the things in English. Okay, so now come to the point. The first question is that I have written on the board. What is grammar? Okay, the grammar means it's a rules actually. So you know that is a set of rules. So if we learn grammar, it will be helpful for us to make sentence and to write our sentence correctly. So I know that grammar is too difficult, but I want to avoid this part. But grammar needs to speak. That's why I'm focusing here grammar, but not deep grammar, very simple grammar I will explain with you. Okay, so first thing, that grammar is a set of rules. So it help us to make us sentence correctly and write something correctly. That's it. Okay, so now here is the second question. What is tense? So I know that also you know that tense is very a common part of in Bangladesh. When we start learning, I mean 4 5 class, from that time we learn grammar, I mean tense. Okay, So tense means any action happen. Okay, when it tell us time of action. Okay, so we know that tense actually that there are three type of tense. So present tense, it actually that happening right now, and past tense that actually uh, already happened before, and second and the third one is future tense. This is used for explain something will happen later. Okay, so now come to the three question. There are three type of tense. Already I have given you the answer. I also explained that there are three type of tense. The present tense that actually we use for explain that is happening right now, and the past tense we use for that happened already, and thirdly future tense, it help us to explain something that will happen later. Okay, what is present simple tense? Okay, this is today's topic actually. So present simple tense, but sometimes we call it present indefinite tense. The present simple tense mainly we use to talk about daily routine, to talk about universal truth, to talk about something fact actually, and mainly we use it for explain our day. So if you know present simple tense very clearly, then you can make thousands of sentence and you can explain everything in English. Okay, most of the time in our whole day we use present tense very use actually. So if you know just present simple tense, uh, you can explain everything. This is my actually uh, I want to share this thing. Okay, so when do we use it? This is the main question. And when do we use it? Mainly we use it to talk about, I already tell you, that is fact and uh, routine, daily routine, and this type of time we use it. Okay, so now the final question, basic structure. We know that every tense has a structure, but present simple tense structure is too different. It looks very simple, but most of the students they make mistake. Okay, so let me explain. Basic structure means subject plus verb base from plus object. This is actually very simple, but the problem is we don't know that when we use I, we, they, and you, we have to use B1. I mean verb base from of verbs. But when we take subject like third person singular number, I mean he, she, it, or any name, then we have to use int of the verb s or es. Okay, yes, you have to remember these things. For example, I play football, but when I want to use subject he plays football. So with the verb int of the verb we have to use s, simply s. Similarly, I read books, but if I want to say that she reads book, very simple. So this that was my today's class. So don't take that I'm a teacher, I'm also a learner. I'm learning at the same time, I'm sharing with you my knowledge and my learning process. I know that in this entire video I made so many mistakes, but again I'm telling you that I'm sorry for my mistake, but I want to improve my English. Okay, so that was my today's class. In second class I will try to explain present simple tense and the positive sentence, and third class I will try explain negative sentence, and then how to make question and how to answer question and so on. Okay, so take care, bye bye.